Hello. Well, this is the updated rose nut removal tool. It's the new design. It's a little bit lighter and just as strong and just as versatile. Furthermore, you'll see that this is on a 1990 R80 RT with the smaller rose nut. This design works perfectly well on this one, as well as the larger finned rose nuts from the early 70s. You can see that on the picture here. Now, the rose nut removal tool has a couple of designs. It has these 3 pegs on it, which are used for interfacing with either a breaker bar, a 3/8" breaker bar, to turn the tool, or in the case of very stubborn nuts, has a place to strike. So you can strike on either one of those and remove the rose nut. A bit hard to do with just the one hand. Now, in the case of nuts where the fins have been bent, what you can do is essentially rotate this rose nut into whatever position actually fits, and that way avoiding straightening out fins or bending other fins. And with the 3 strike points, you can then strike and loosen the nut. And that's it for the rose nut removal tool.